Hey, what's up everybody? Tony Rvitia with Rvitia RV Rentals. Wanted to do a video on how to handle your RV rentals during coronavirus, because I don't know, I'm in the vacation rental business and this thing has been a nightmare for business. So I've had all my RV deals canceled, like I don't know, like 12 of them in the last 2 months and this whole thing started. I had over 750 reservations in our vacation condos canceled. So there has been a lot. So I just wanted to pass along any tips that I've learned or things. Now, it seems like there's a lot of scammers on there now. Like a lot of people are like messaging us, hey, can you text me? And they try to do the deal outside RV share and outdoorsy, which I don't feel comfortable about that. The guy I learned from, he said he doesn't trust people that want to rent their RV on a one-day notice. They're usually not so responsible people. And I've had that happen a couple times. And the one time I did, none of his drivers got verified on outdoorsy. None of them passed the background check. And they wanted to do it on a one-day notice. So the guy called me and he's like, oh, I'll use an insurance writer from my insurance company. And outdoorsy, it's just like a regular driver background check. It's nothing even too crazy. So I had to give up the rental. It was like a $1,800 rental I would have netted, but I just didn't feel comfortable with it. I mean, they mess one thing up or steal it or one thing, it's gonna cost you a lot more in problems to fix it and headaches and insurance claims and things like that. So I try to stay away from anybody who tries to book your RV within a day or two of check-in, because usually they're not that responsible of people, and it just seems strange that people want to book it on a one-day notice. Now, things do happen and you do get those rentals, but I would just be more careful of those, and then also be careful of the people that message you and say, hey, can you call me on the phone before they put in the pricing quote or any of that, because a lot of them are just trying to go around the outdoorsy system or the RV share system and to just try to go around the system or get you to give them a way better deal than you have on the platform. And I don't really recommend ever giving deals. I never give discounts to anybody, even if they ask anything. What I did is I found this service called marketingboost.com, and you can send out dining vouchers. It's at 55,000 restaurants. It's a bunch of dining vouchers that you can send out, or you can send out 3-night, 4-day vacations. And I use those for when things go wrong in the RV, or if people have a problem, or if they want a discount. We say, oh, well, we give you this free trip with your booking, but we don't give actual discounts on the pricing, because it's just not fair to our other clients who had to pay the full price. So we treat everybody the same, all our clients, with respect and honesty, and and then that's just how we do it. Because the people, every single person we had the first year who we gave a discount to or made special arrangements was a huge pain in the what, and we would have rather not even done those rentals. So never give discounts, in my opinion. Just stick with whatever your price is, and because people, the more they try to nickel and dime you, if you do it up front, they're going to try to do it the whole trip. They're going to try to make things seem miserable. They're going to try to make things seem worse than they are, just so because they know you'll cave and give them another discount. And sometimes it's just not worth the aggravation. So if you give somebody so much of a discount plus your time, or you're paying your people to do it, to clean it, to all that stuff, you're not even making that much money a lot of times, especially if it's like a 2 to 3 night rental. So do not give discounts, is my opinion. So just from what we've learned. And then I would do like an extra picture in your slide rule that, hey, we are doing these extra cleaning precautions because of the coronavirus or whatever. Try to take people's fears or whatever of that, and just say, oh yeah, we're using Lysol 99% or whatever. We use an organic natural one just because we believe in organic products better, but we make sure we use total germ disinfectant. And I only use people who clean hotels, because they know how to get it hotel clean. And I lose probably a lot of rentals because we charge a pretty high cleaning fee, because I have real housekeepers that come over and do it, and a good cleaning person is not that cheap, so you have to be able to charge. And plus, outdoorsy and RV share take 20%, so we end up having to charge like a $250 cleaning fee to even break even or make $20-30 on it. But then we know they're professionally clean, and we never have any cleanliness problems. Which I remember reading this book one time with Donald Trump, and he said one of the biggest things to having a successful hotel is how clean it is. and that's like the biggest thing in the industry, is being super clean. So if you know, Steve Wynn's huge on that and everything else. So having your thing cleanliness is of top priority right now, especially during this thing. And then I would change your cancellation policy, if you can, to as flexible as possible. They have a flexible one out there. I just changed everything to flexible because, you know, people are going to want to know, you know, if the state's shut down again or this and that, you know. And yeah, you might have, I hate cancellation because if you get that in their mind, that's pretty much what they're going to do. But if they see it, you might get more rentals on it. So I'm giving it a try. You know, this is a different time. Nobody's ever went through this. You know, I'm not desperate for money, so, but, you know, so I want to make money when we do it. So I'm not giving that huge of discounts, maybe like 20, 30 bucks a night. And then just making sure, tell them that we have it, the RV super clean, so, you know, to the standards of, you know, like a hotel that they're doing. And so I would change your change the cancellation policy. If you have the standard cancellation policy, change it to flexible, or make your own special one if they don't have it. Let's see, what else can you do? The coronavirus thing, just make sure you got good pictures of the RV, and make sure you have extra things in there. But and then like in your ad, I would try to put anything extra you can. Like, we're giving away, you know, we're doing a free bike rental with it, or a free thing, because I think a lot of people lost all their rentals. So there's a lot of competition out there right now, and a lot of people, you know, probably need money. So I haven't went on there and checked. I got to check my status, like a spreadsheet I had my girl do to analyze what the prices are out there right now, because I'm thinking a lot of people are charging a lot less now, and because there's just not that much business, because all the state parks are closed. Well, today's like May 18th, so I'm hoping they started to open up. I don't know what phase the Nevada parks were, and Utah and Arizona. So once those open up in your area, then I think you'll start to see more rentals, because people don't have money either, because so many, you know, 30 million people or whatever, 25, 45 million people are unemployed now. So you got to watch your pricing strategy. You might want to lower your prices a little bit, but don't give discounts. Okay, do a number that you'd still be happy with, even if you got it. So kind of do your discounts, come up with some extra stuff you could put in the RV as like a bonus. Do a flexible cancellation policy, and then add a picture into your picture roll of your ads that you're doing, whatever you're doing, to make sure it's clean. And I think that's about it. But happy renting. If you go in your area, check the prices that everybody else is charging to make sure your pricing strategy is good, as that's one of the most important things. And then try to make it as professional as possible. Try to have pillows, towels, everything that you can in it. You're going to be better off that way. Try to add extra games, things like that, and you should be good. All right, God bless. Take care.